Okay guys, we're back with another spring cleaning video, and today I'm going to do my makeup collection. So right now I'm in my filming room slash office, beauty room, all of that. So what I'm going to be working on today is this tray here. This carries the brushes that I mostly use for my videos, just like some mascaras, some brow products, some lip products, my sponges, lip liners. So what I want to do is go through this, clean this acrylic little tray with acrylic cleaner because it's so nasty. And then I want to get rid of like brushes I'm no longer using, lip colors I'm no longer using. I don't want to use things in my video that you can't get anymore, so I'm going to get rid of all of that. And then over here on this side, I have a small little makeup organizer. It has a thin drawer on top, and then it has like bigger drawers with dividers. So I'm gonna go through that as well because like all this I don't use, and I just want to clean the thing again. Like the acrylic gets dusty so fast. And then this is like where I keep things that I want to film with, like new things or just whatever I want to film with that day. I'll put in this tray. And then I have the Alex drawers from IKEA. This is just a small one. So I need to get more trays because the things just slide around. It's like I want to get like, you know, the eyeshadow one, things like that, but obviously like nothing's open right now, and I'm not really trying to like buy a whole bunch of stuff online and have all these boxes come to my house and like put myself at risk. So I just want to basically organize and clean all of this, and that's pretty much it. This is my little setup. I have this light which I use for lash extensions and to hold my tripod. I use this a lot when I film like in my bathroom, my kitchen. And I am also going to be doing a video redoing my office because I ordered a couch and some wallpaper, and I have a neon sign, and I ordered a plant. So I'm going to show you that in another video. I'm not sure if it's going to come before this one or after, but I will give you like a full tour of my office. There's not much more than just this. There's just like my backdrop stand behind me, but I will do that full office tour. But today I'm just gonna basically do a time lapse of me going through this, and then I'll show you everything when it's done and give you like a quick overview. And then just know I'm gonna buy more dividers to organize the drawers down here. So let's get started. Okay, I am done. I do want to deep clean my brushes and my sponges, but that's for another day because it just took me like 3 hours. So I have my face brushes, my eye brushes. These are liners and mascaras. I have my setting sprays back here that I normally use, some tools in the front, all my beauty blenders and Fenty sponges, all the brands of sponges. What I want to mention about these acrylic makeup holders, if you guys have them, I do have the acrylic cleaner from Container Store, but it took me forever and I used like half the bottle on just this. Then I grabbed my Cinema Secrets brush cleaner, and that was the best thing in the world. I tested it on the bottom to make sure it didn't ruin the plastic, and it didn't. So I cleaned both this and the other makeup storage with Cinema Secrets brush cleaner, and it was A1. It got it super clean. I mean, it's not like perfect, but if you saw it before, as you did, you can tell a huge difference. This is what I'm most excited about. I don't know why I didn't do this sooner, but I cleaned this. If you saw how it looked before, you couldn't even see what was in. I don't know what my problem was, but I thoroughly cleaned all of this. And so now in the top, instead of my lip liners being like all crowded in my other brush holder, I have them all laying out so I can see all the colors at the bottom and make this really easy to grab. Then I moved my foundations and concealers up to the top big drawer. This just makes it easier for me to grab when I'm filming or even just doing my makeup, because this was like the second to bottom drawer, and I don't know why, I just made it more accessible up here. So I have foundations and some primers back there. And then I have all my concealers and cream contour, cream highlight on this side. Everything looks so nice, like I just want to do my makeup now. Third drawer, these are all my setting powders and blushes for my face. You know, like my setting powder I normally use, my under eye, my bronzer, blush, these are blushes, and then my just setting powder here. These are all highlights in my highlighting palettes. Then I had this big drawer left, so I did all my powder puffs in here on this small side with a divider, and then I did all my lip products that I use the most in here. So we have all the Fenty liquid lips, all the Fenty glosses, Patrick Ta lip and gloss, Dose glosses, KKW lipstick and gloss, and my Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. So that way everything is all here that I mostly use for my face, and the other thing is mostly tools and just has like a few of the eyeliners. But this looks so clean and so nice. And then this is kind of just like my back stock. So this is my back stock of lips. They're not super organized because I do need to get more clear containers, as I said. This is just like my tools. This is my brush cleaner, a color switch, makeup wipes, tissue, paper towels. Nothing fun. This just like stores everything. These are all my eyeshadow palettes, and that's like my Mayron palette for Halloween. I want to get the dividers for this as well. Then this is an extra eye drawer. These are like special effects stuff for Halloween makeup, lashes, and then like extra eye things. And normally I have lash extensions, so I won't use the lashes that often. That's why they're down here. And then the last one's not even organized, but this is just like my extra cores and filming equipment and stuff. I also like dusted and cleaned thoroughly and disinfected the entire desk. My monitor, I cleaned with a monitor cleaner and like dusted all behind it, cleaned everything. So you guys will see my entire full office tour when I do that video, when I'm going to be doing my couch and wallpaper. But for now, this is all I did. I got rid of a lot of stuff. Let me show you. So this was like the pile of stuff that I don't film with or I don't use. Like this is my favorite highlighter my sister got me. But I can't film with it because I can't link it, and it's very annoying to do that to people. And then I have like travel stuff. So I'm gonna organize this in a bin, and then I'm gonna be able to use this when I'm doing my makeup off camera. Then I have like some samples of just like skincare and primers I wanna try. That will be all for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup organization, and let me know if you wanna see more videos like this. Hopefully I'll be doing the kitchen soon for my next episode of the spring cleaning series. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what videos you want to see from me next. Until next time, thank you so much for watching.